How to add a music to your favorite on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a music to your favorite on Spotify. First go to Spotify and then just click on the music like this one, and then all you need to do is just click here this icon, and as you see this music has been added to like songs. Let's try another song like this one, and then click here, and now just click here, and as you see, that's how add music to your favorites on Spotify. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.